Linda, this is the growly game that Joey and Daddy plays at bedtime. Yeah, that's your flamingo. Yeah, good boy. That's your flamingo. Good boy. Oh, good boy. That's your flamingo. Yeah, good boy. No one can have it. He takes it by the neck. Good boy, Joey. Good boy, Joey. Good boy, Joey. That's right. Tell him who's boss.
No, Daisy was gonna grab it.
He's gonna fall off. Watch him. Good boy, Joey.